Hi everyone. I came up with this concept to make a face shield super fast, super cheap. And here's what you do. You get yourself a pack of transparency film. It's used for making copies on a copier, on a laser copier. And get yourself a baseball cap, preferably a new one, but I'm just demonstrating this on an old one. So you make a mark with a grease pencil or a piece of chalk at the center of the brim, and there's normally a seam here that's right in the center, so that's how you know where to put your mark. Okay, then you make a mark in the long side of the transparency, in the center of the transparency. Okay, now you take your hot glue gun and you place hot glue all along the edge of the transparency. And I'll see if I can get this in the camera. And you can probably figure out where I'm going with this now. So you hot glue a nice long line of glue on the edge right over the mark you made. And any second now. Okay, now before the glue dries, you want to place this with the glue inside the brim of the hat, lining up your two marks. Start at the center, press it down, and then let the edges just flow out where they go. Try to get it as even as you can, but it's not super critical. Okay, then you just press this down so that the hot glue gets into the fabric of the hat. And within a couple minutes, you have a face shield. When it hits the fan, I mean, it may come down to having to use this kind of stuff. And it's extremely cheap and it's extremely fast. In fact, once you do more than one, you'll get way faster than I did just trying to demonstrate it. So, okay, let me know what you think about this. Definitely covers the face, even my hairy face. And you know, it's soft enough where if you bang into something, it's not a problem. It's just going to move. And it should keep any kind of splatters off of your face. Combine this with a regular mask underneath, and I think you've got, you know, a cheap, quick way to offer some protection. Okay, let me know what you think about this one. This is the second one I did. Definitely covers the face. My hairy face at that. So, it's very fast, very cheap, and, you know, when it all hits the fan, this might be what people are going to have to do. Let me know what you think.